thieth. Jatend migawo mar thieth Susan Nakumicha koro kwayo wede mag joma osethiedhi ne tuoche mag obwongo kod dang'ni mag paro mondo chopo kawo wedegi. Ka oloso kinde limbe mare od thieth Mathari Teaching and Referral Hospital. Jatend migawono owacho ni onego opuonj oganda ewi tuoche mag obwongo kod dang'ni mag paro mondo duok chien akwede ma ji ni godo ne jogo mani kod tuoche makamago. Nakumicha osingo bago romo kod riwruok mar tend loch gwenge mondo kony neno ni kaunti ka kaunti obedo kod od thieth mag tuoche mag obwongo.
We have a social issue where we have patients who have recovered. Unfortunately, they are still here because one, the families and the communities that they come from are not willing to have them back. And two, that there are those whose families have not been notified. So as an immediate action, we are taking contacts and the sister will generate the risk together with the doctor that we, myself, I'll reach out to the families of those who have recovered and they need to get home and their families who are not aware. I will reach out to them through my office. We want to work together with the institution to create awareness around mental illness. I have realized that there's still a lot of stigma. So we have agreed with the CEO that we shall put in budget to ensure that we create awareness around mental illnesses so that the society can be able now to get away from the stigma.